Hello friends, in this particular video we will see the judiciary which is there in the constitution of Serbia. Constitutional court. There are 15 judges. The term of judge would be 9 years. Now let's see how they are elected. 5 judges shall be selected by National Assembly. 5 judges shall be selected by President of Republic of Serbia, and 5 judges shall be selected in the general session of the Supreme Court of Cassation. Now what this constitutional court does? This court would decide on compliance of ratified national treaties with the constitution. The court decides on the conflict of jurisdiction between courts and the state bodies. This court decides on the conflict of jurisdiction between the republic and the provincial bodies or bodies of local self-government units. This court decides on banning of a political party, trade union organization or civic organization. Now there is a High Judicial Council in Serbia. Now what is it? Let's see it. This council is an independent and autonomous body which shall provide for and guarantee independence and autonomy of the courts and judges. This council has 11 members. Now how these members come? 1 President of Supreme Court of Cassation, 1 Minister for Justice, 1 President of the Authorized Committee of the National Assembly as ex officio member, 8 other members selected by National Assembly. So now we will see what this High Judicial Council does. This council is responsible for appointment and dismissal of judges in accordance with Constitution. This council makes proposal to the National Assembly for the election of judges that are elected for the first time. This council makes proposal to National Assembly for election of President of the Supreme Court of Cassation. This council participates in the proceedings of terminating the tenure of the office of the President of Supreme Court of Cassation and Presidents of Courts. Now what are the court structure? Courts of general jurisdiction, basic courts, high and appellate court, Supreme Court of Cassation. Courts of specialized jurisdiction, commercial courts, commercial appellate court, misdemeanor court, high misdemeanor court, administrative court. Supreme Court of Cassation is the highest judicial institution in Serbia. So friend, these were some glimpses of the judiciary as well as the courts which are there in the Constitution of Serbia. In our next video, we will see the other features which are there in the Constitution of Serbia. Thank you.